Hi, this is Jacob from pstfilerepair.net, and today we're going to be looking at a free method of repairing your corrupt PST file for Outlook. And again, this is Jacob from pstfilerepair.net, and let's go ahead and get started here. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that Outlook is closed. Outlook has to be closed for you to run the free tool, and that free tool is going to be called scanpst.exe. And it is free, provided by Microsoft, and if you have Office installed on your system, then you do have it. Today we're going to be working on an XP computer running Office 2003. However, this is going to work the same on whether it's XP or Vista and whether it's Office 2003 or 2007. So let's go ahead and get started. This also works on 2002 as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, first thing to do is, like I said, close Outlook, and then we're going to go ahead and open up the scanpst file. And we do have the location here on our website, or else, let's just go ahead and browse to it too as well. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the Windows Start button, go up to my computer. It's going to be under the C drive, and Program Files, then Common Files. Let's go ahead and scroll down. Right here to System. Under System, MS Mappy. Let's go back up so you guys can see that. MS Mappy, and then 1033. Now this is going to be the default location for the scanpst, and if it's not in here, you can always try doing a search for scanpst. Otherwise, we do have instructions too as well on how you can unzip it from your Microsoft disk, and we also do have a download link directly to this on our website too as well. So let's go ahead and open up scanpst again. Make sure that your Outlook is closed, and this is the inbox repair tool provided free from Microsoft. Now, does it always work? No, but it does work quite a bit of the time, especially if it's just headers that are going. Now, I hit the browse button because we're trying to browse to the PST file we want to find, and it actually already has my location in here. It just shows that, hey, I've used it before. But let's show you the exact path here. Go ahead and close that down. See if we can't get it to show on my screen at this resolution. So C:\documents setting. Your username will be right here. Local settings, application data, Microsoft Outlook. Now let's go ahead and browse to it real quick on the computer. That way you can physically see somebody doing it. So I'm opening up my computer. I'm going to the C drive. I'm going to Documents and Settings. My username. So that'll be your username on your computer. And then we're going to, oh, look at that, you can't see it. It's local settings that we want, however, it's a hidden file. So go ahead and go to Tools, Folder Options, View, and then right here, Show Hidden Files and Folders, and there's a OK button at the bottom here. Well, I'm going to go ahead and hit the OK button. So now that we did that, it is right there, local settings. Now also the path location is going to be slightly different in Vista. We do have that on our site too as well, so you can check that out if you're using Vista. And then local settings, then application data. Now on to Microsoft folder. And lastly, Outlook. Alright. Now you're going to see the file location right there. So it's Outlook PST file. So there's the full path for you, and keep in mind right here is where your name is going to be, not my name. No, that isn't my real name, but you get the point. Alright, so now that we've browsed to the file, oh, I got to open right here. You go ahead and select the file you want to repair, hit open, and you just go ahead and hit the start button. It's going to take a minute or two for analyze now. Granted, this one is found, let's see, no errors found on this file. Well, if there were errors, is what you would do. That's great that there wasn't errors. You go ahead and ensure this box should already be checked by default and says make backup a scan file before repairing. That's a mandatory. You need to do that. You need to always create a backup before you try to repair the file. In fact, I wouldn't only use this tool. I would manually go to that location of your Outlook PST file. I'd copy it, and I'd copy it over to another hard drive or to another location on your particular computer, just so you have the original one before you try to repair it. It's very, very important that you have it, because this can even make matters worse Granted, it normally doesn't, and it does repair the file a lot of times, but if it doesn't, you want to be able to use the original file, not the one that this one regenerates. So is what you would do is make sure that's checked, and you just go ahead and you'd browse and name the backup and put it wherever you'd want, and then you'd go ahead and hit OK. And what it'll do is it'll try scanning it. Now keep in mind, you may get an issue if you try scanning it. If you're using Office 2002, 2000, or 98, you may get a fatal error, code number of 800409000. And what that means is it means that the maximum file size is over 2 gigs. And we do have a fix on this site too as well, provided for free from Microsoft. And like I said, on our website, we cover a lot of this too as well, not just in this video, but we made this video for users. We have the scanpst file. You can download it. We show you how to extract it from your CD, as well as a more advanced Outlook PST repair file, repair tool. Yes, it does cost money. Yes, it is rather expensive, but hey, if all else fails, it's there for you, and it works really, really well. It's what I use on several dozen clients, and it generally does a great job for you. We also do have an Outlook password cracker too, in case you ever forget your password for Outlook, as well as some other general tips on backup software and some other really good tips on repairing your Outlook PST file. And that is it. Once again, my name is Jacob, and I'm from pstfilerepair.net, so come check us out. Take care.